Alexis Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here.
Hey Sunshiners, Alexis Sunshine 83 here. So I just did a big closet clean out where I tried on everything in my closet, and with that I rediscovered pieces that I honestly forgot that I owned that I really like but just haven't been wearing. So today I wanted to do another styling clothes I bought but never wear. My goal with this video is to style these pieces in a way that I am actually going to wear, and I think I'm gonna try to put together like 2 outfits for each piece just to really figure out if the piece can be worn in different ways and is versatile, and if it is just not working, kind of having this be the sign that it is time to let it go. The first one I don't think will be a surprise because in my closet clean out video I was very indecisive about it. So it is this beautiful kind of quilted vest. It's beautiful. Like, this is a work of art. I have not worn it. I see the potential, I see the layering options with it, but I just haven't really tried styling it all that much. Let's give it a chance. I don't know if maybe it's the colors. Like, now that I'm looking at it in the viewfinder, I almost feel like maybe that's why it hasn't been working for me. Just like the tones. Or is that just in my head? I do not know. I wanted to put together an outfit that I envisioned I would style the vest with. Like, this was gonna be my tried and true, when in doubt, this is gonna be the outfit for this vest, and it's just not doing anything for me. Like, I definitely would rather just wear it without the vest, you know? So I think I'm not even gonna put together another outfit because I'm just kind of, I'm fine with letting it go. In the closet clean out, I basically gave myself a time frame of needing to wear this piece this month, and if I didn't, then I need to say goodbye to it. This is a beautiful piece. It's from Realization Par. I had gotten it off of Depop for like trying It Girl brand video, and it's 100% silk. It really is gorgeous, and even when I have it on, it's really beautiful. The thing that always gets me is the straps. I really hate the tie straps, which is such a personal thing, but I don't think that's necessarily the reason why I haven't worn it. It just is a little bit more like date night type of top, which isn't a bad thing, but I think I want to find a way to wear it casually. I am so indecisive with this top because it looks beautiful. It fits me really well, like especially in the chest area. That's where a lot of times I have issues with like gapping, and it actually fits really well, but there's just something about it that I don't wear. It definitely is kind of a great going out type of top and outfit. Do I go out enough? Would I choose this to go out in? Not sure. I'm gonna change the shoes, I promise you, but I don't know, I had a vision and I was like, this is kind of amazing. Pairing it with the leopard jeans actually has kind of made me fall back in love with this top. Like, I was ready to post this right on Poshmark right after making this video, but there's something amazing about it may be horrible. It may be at least it's not the addition of the cow print, okay? It's really doing it for me. Definitely still kind of like a going out outfit, but if that's what this top is, then you know what? That's okay. If it's reserved for times when I'm going out to dinner or something nice, like, that's okay. You don't have to wear something every single day. I was looking at this top as a casual everyday top. So when I wasn't wanting to wear it every day, or when I was trying to style it, how I would style it for every day, and was like, this isn't working, I didn't think to stop and be like, this is not going to be an everyday type of casual piece. There's definitely ways that people have styled it for every day with their style, and that totally works. But for me, I think it works way better as a like properly more going out
piece. I think I'm actually gonna keep it. Wow, I did not think that.
I recently talked about me accepting that I don't think ballet flats are for me. Anytime I'm rewatching like outfit video footage and I'm wearing ballet flats, I'm like, I just really don't like this on myself, which makes me sad because I love the idea of them and I love them on other people, but I have severely flat feet and it just like accentuates it so much. And there's nothing wrong with like a flat shoe. I just feel like they even more so, like it just, I don't know. I don't love them. And so these I thrifted last year. As you can see, it still has the Crossroads tag on it. It's originally from Jeffrey Campbell. And these are kind of like a ballet flat, Mary Jane checkered print, like really, really beautiful. They have a little bit more of a square toe. And when I saw them, I was like, oh my gosh, springtime, like this is gonna be the shoe. And so I don't know if I haven't worn them because it hasn't like started spring yet, but I also haven't really properly styled them in general. So I want to see if I can put together an outfit that I would wear this spring and also figure out, does it give me the same feeling as like the ballet flats that I am saying goodbye to? Because if so, as cute as they are, maybe they just aren't for me and that would be okay. So this one, it has some high stakes.
This is another one I kind of feel conflicted about. I mean, they're so cute, like truly the cutest things. I wanted to pair them with these almost like wide leg jeans because I see people with this type of shoe styled in this way all the time and I wanted to give it a go. Let me put together another outfit. I'm hoping you can see them. I tried to position my camera so you could see my shoes, and the whole purpose of this outfit is the shoes. I do like them with this outfit and I am leaning on keeping them. I feel like these are ones that I'm gonna say, if I don't wear them in a month, I'm saying goodbye to them. I am also so used to wearing black shoes that then there's the element of it being a different color, but that's kind of the best part about it, is it being a different color and also a pattern. But with the square toe, I think they even more so make my feet look even flatter, but I think I like them better than ballet flats. Maybe it's just the fact that they have a strap that I'm like, these are different than ballet flats, but they definitely are gonna emphasize how flat my feet are. Maybe after watching the footage of what it looks like right now on camera, it may sway my opinion. It may sway my opinion.
Next up, we have this pastel green cardigan, and this thing is so soft and it's such a beautiful cardigan. I don't really gravitate towards it. Whenever I'm putting together an outfit and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna wear a cardigan, this is never like my first, second, fifth pick, and I want to figure out why. Mainly to see with the colors, like what kind of outfit could I put together with it, and is it just that I have other cardigans that I prefer the color and the fit, or is it that I just naturally get stuck in a habit of wearing the same cardigans over and over again, and hopefully me seeing this with a cute outfit today will make me kind of change that and want to wear this.
I don't remember if I've ever put together an outfit like this with the green cardigan. If I have not, this is my favorite new outfit with it. My motto is basically, when in doubt, add some overalls, and the outfit is always gonna be a 10 out of 10. Okay, the baby tee I have on under the overalls has a pink flower with then green in it. So the green in the baby tee, then with the cardigan, is just, it is chef's kiss. I have fallen back in love with this cardigan. You cannot tell me this is not giving farmer's market girly. Like, I'm on my way to the farmer's market. I really love the combo of green and like a black and white checkered print. So I styled it on top of my checkered dress, and I didn't realize that there is a button missing. So it looked a little bit odd when I had these unbuttoned. So it would maybe just not have it fully buttoned, but also I don't think it's that big of a deal. But also does that look weird? I don't know. Overall though, I do like the outfit, and I actually really love this collar on top of it. I wasn't sure just because of the way that it comes up, but I think it was a really nice detail. And then I wanted to add another color into the mix. So I have these purple socks with these kind of Mary Jane Doc Martens. I feel adorable.
These shorts I haven't technically like shown in like a haul, like a thrift haul video. I thrifted them back in November and I wore them in the like fashion rule video. They are these pleated navy shorts and they have pockets. What really got me was the fact that they look like a skirt, but they are shorts, and I was like, that is so cool. And I just thought of so many different ways of like styling them. They are a little bit more of a mid-rise, and I again just haven't really like taken the time to put together an outfit with them that I would want to wear. Like, again, I've had them since November and it's now March. I don't think I necessarily gravitate towards this like dark navy color, so technically should I have thrifted them in the first place? Probably not.
I'm really tempted to just dye these shorts just because I think the navy is kind of throwing me off. Navy is not necessarily a color minus denim. Denim navy is different. I think it looks totally great with this outfit, especially with the silver. Navy and silver, great color combo, but I do feel I would get more wear out of it if it was black. But then I'm also like, I own a lot of black. This is something different. Should I just kind of leave it and keep trying to style it? I don't know. Usually I don't really dye clothing because the last time I did it, it was with black dye and I accidentally tipped over the bucket and that black dye went all over my floor. So I don't really trust myself. But this is a piece where it's not that much fabric, so I don't think it would be that difficult, and it's already dark. So dyeing it black wouldn't be hopefully that much of a hassle. Let me know what you think. Do you think I should leave it navy or dye it black? The outfit is basically the same, I know, but once I put this black vest with it, I was like, yep, I'm definitely dyeing it black. Could you imagine? A little matching set type of vibe. I think that would be very, very cute.
This one kind of hurts because I had this on my thrift wish list for a year. It took me a year of trying to thrift this that I finally found it. I am having a tough time styling it. I don't know if it's because of the color. I mainly wear kind of black leather jackets, and so my normal styling of like the outfit I put together with my black leather blazer doesn't necessarily look the same with this. So I think I just need to spend some time putting together different things, different colors to really figure out what works with it.
I wanted to start out styling this jacket kind of basic first, just because this is probably the most often like way I saw it styled when the trend of these type of jackets became very, very big. Just, you know, like tank top, jeans, and that's about it. And I think this could be a good outfit to get myself comfortable with this type of jacket. It's not even outside of my comfort zone, but it's just not a go-to jacket for me yet, and that's what I want to kind of turn it into. And this is gonna give me a different type of look than going with my black leather blazer, and I think it actually does really give a cool girl vibe. And so yeah, again, super basic, I know, but in trying to figure out ways to style these pieces so I actually wear them, I think this outfit kind of does that. Okay, I know, another kind of simple basic outfit with this jacket, but I really think the way for me to style it is with more kind of solid pieces. I can't really see a pattern piece with this jacket. If you have a different outfit that you think would be better that does incorporate more, you know, color or different pattern, please let me know in the comments down below, because this is kind of where my mind is going for how I think I would realistically wear it. And I think taking out the colors in the jackets is the best way to do that. I feel pretty cute in this. I feel pretty cute. I could see maybe like a red gingham kind of boxer short with this, so swapping out the black shorts and something like that, I think that actually would be a really great addition, because the black shorts are kind of like, you know, really not doing anything, and maybe finding a pattern that then is the same color as the colors that are in the jacket is probably a way of incorporating some sort of pattern with it also making sense.
With spring coming up, I wanted to whip this floral blazer out because I've had it, I think, for at least 3 years, and it kind of goes in waves of I wear it a lot, then I don't wear it, and then I wear it a lot, and I don't think I've worn it for a year, and I really, really love it. This is a piece that I have worn a lot, but again, then I don't wear it, and so for this spring, and also with what I own in my closet now, I want to put some different things with it, kind of give it a new life for 2024.
I really couldn't decide with this blazer to go with more floral print or just style it with white. I think I've styled it with full on white already before, so I kind of wanted to do something different, and I don't know if this is working. Part of me is saying yes, but I don't know if that's just me trying to be optimistic. I think it actually does go. Like, the pattern is almost exactly the same as the skirt, but there's just in a different tone. Like, this is yellow, and then this is like a base of white, and it's kind of working for me. And then with the denim to kind of break it up, and then the white boots, like, I like it, but it is kind of a lot. Let me see another outfit with it. Surprisingly, me trying to style this blazer has made me like it less. I think this outfit works. It's fine. I really like this blazer though. I think it has a purpose in my wardrobe and something that I need to hold on to, because as time goes on, styles and trends, maybe somebody will style a floral blazer in a way I didn't think of, and I'll be like, oh my gosh, that's such a nice way. But I am having a little bit of difficulty styling it. I like the other one a lot better. This is definitely more, you know, obviously casual. I do feel the blazer looks a little out of place with this outfit, but also, does it?
These shoes I really, really love. I think they're so funky and so cool. I don't know necessarily like the cutest outfit to put together with them just because they are like a sneaker, but that is what I'm gonna try to do today.
I know these shoes aren't everyone's cup of tea, and that's totally okay, but this outfit I put together with them, I am actually really enjoying. I usually have looked at them in a sporty way, so with shorts or the boxer like plaid shorts, and I haven't really styled them, and I mean, this is still a casual outfit, but not like that. I see them in a sporty way, whereas I want to style them more in a casual, everyday type of way. That doesn't make any sense, but it makes sense in my mind. And I think this is an outfit that kind of does that. It brings in the sporty aspect with a little bit more of like a put together kind of casual wear. I've talked about I'm not really a sneakers person, which is why then I wanted these, because I was like, okay, like they're a little bit different than a normal sneaker. I'm gonna put together one more outfit though and see what they look like. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see the shoes because I'm wearing black socks with them, and I also don't know if I've put together this outfit before. If I have, oh well. The shoes are doing something a little extra, yet not too much. I love it. I'm gonna wear this outfit 100% this week. That's all I have to say about this outfit because I love it so much. Alrighty, thank you all so much for watching. I'm so happy I did this video. I'm feeling way more decisive about a lot of these pieces. Some other ones still, you know, a little undecisive, but as always, a majority of the items I showed in this video were secondhand. So if you do like thrifting and secondhand fashion, then make sure to subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is AlexSunshine83. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you have a super sunny day. Bye!